Good morning, everyone. Good morning, class. How are you today? Good? Very good. Yes, I am very good as well. Thank you for asking. Anyway, who is not present today? Siapa yang tidak hadir hari ini? All are present. Wow, that's great. Thank you. And everyone, welcome back to our English class with me, Mr. Windy. Okay. Anyway, how was your holiday? I think we've been so long not meeting, right? Sudah lama ya kita tidak berjumpa ya, betul? Okay, that's right. Are you missing me? Oh, you're missing me. Thank you. I miss you as well. Okay. Um, your holiday was fun or just ordinary? Fun. Where did you go? Beach? Oh, mountain. Where else? Beach and mountain. Okay. Also, you both together went to the beach. Wow, that's great. And who did you go with? With your family? Your friends and family? Your friends and family, that's great. I also went to beach maybe just one time. Okay. Well, everyone, and now I have something for you. So okay, here it is. Okay, I have a picture, a good picture for you. Okay, beach, yes, it is beach, di pantai. Okay, betul. What else? What you can see here? Hat, yes, hat. People, yes. There are a woman and a man. Oke, kira-kira kapan ini ya? When do you think it was? Kapan kira-kira? Musim panas, yes. Ya, sepertinya musim panas ini ya. In the summer. Oke, musim panas yang telah berlalu. Oke, everyone. Jadi, berbicara mengenai kejadian atau peristiwa yang sudah berlalu, hari ini Mister mau mengajak kalian untuk belajar tentang recount text. Have you ever heard what a recount text is? Have you ever heard? Pernah dengar nggak apa itu recount text? Text recount? Not yet. Oh, your first time? Okay, that's okay. And now, okay, mari kita lihat dulu apa sih tujuan mempelajari ini. Oke, jadi tujuannya itu adalah kita akan mencoba to identify, mengidentifikasi purpose, structures, and language features of recount text. Jadi nanti kita akan mencoba mengidentifikasi tujuan, struktur, dan bahasa yang ada dalam recount text. Oke, kemudian tujuan pembelajaran lainnya adalah bagaimana nanti kita create a personal recount text, membuat text recount tentang pengalaman pribadi. Okay, well everyone, I will continue. Okay, here is the discussion. Recount text is a text, yes, that tells past events. Okay, jadi pada umumnya teks ini ditulis bertujuan untuk berbagi pengalaman atau peristiwa that have been past, yang sudah berlalu. Misalkan seperti yang kalian tadi katakan, waktu liburan kalian ke beach atau ke mountain atau trekking ya. Oke, itulah contoh event atau kejadian yang telah terjadi. Jadi tujuannya sekali lagi to tell something in the past. Clear so far? Clear, okay. Let's continue. Well, so talking about text, a text must have structures. Jadi teks dalam bahasa Inggris itu mempunyai yang namanya struktur generic atau generic structure. Can anyone help me please to read, to guess, or what is this? Orientation, we have person, place, and time. Can you describe what is it? Yes, pembukaan, that's right. It's kind of pembukaan. Okay, so in orientation, it's kind of opening, benar sekali, pembukaan, atau pengenalan. Oke, pengenalan seperti person, tokoh, place, and time, tempat dan waktu. Kemudian events, yang kedua ada phenomenon dan experience. Nah, jadi events ini adalah the point atau inti dari cerita ya, dalam recount text. Kemudian the last reorientation is restatement. Okay, what do you think it is? Restatement, kesimpulan? Yes, that's right. Kind of kesimpulan atau penegasan kembali tentang pengalaman atau kejadian tersebut. Oke, sekarang silakan perhatikan ini. Oke, I have this text for you. Oke, jadi seperti inilah bagian-bagian dari generic structure-nya. First, we find orientation. Oke, orientation. Last Saturday, about time, was my day off. I didn't go anywhere. But two of my friends, the persons, Putu and Komang, came to my house to play some video games. Itu orientasi, jadi pengenalan cerita yang akan disampaikan selanjutnya. Kemudian events. Nah, events ini menekankan pada aktivitas apa saja yang dilakukan oleh orang dalam cerita ini. Jadi di sini ada 3 jenis cerita ya, atau 3 jenis kegiatan yang dilakukan oleh Komang dan Putu. Oke, you can read this, silakan dibaca. Kemudian di sini juga ada reorientation atau sebagai akhiran sebuah teks ini. Although just a home holiday, it was a wonderful day because it refreshed my mind. Nah, jadi si Komang ini bercerita bahwa meskipun hanya di rumahnya, tapi dia senang. Okay. He felt happy, even just at home in the holiday. What do you think? If in the holiday you are just at home, boring? Boring? Not really, because Komang played game with Putu. That's why they were not bored. Oke. Jadi, oke. Silakan perhatikan sekali lagi orientation in the first part, bagian pertama, events bagian kedua, second part, and reorientation bagian ketiga. Oke, did you get that? Bagaimana, sudah dipahami kira-kira? Sebelum Bapak beralih ke exercise. Any question? No? All right, that's great. Well, I have this kind of thing for you. And now I would like 1 or 2 of you, or maybe 3 or 4 of you, to analyze or guess which one is the orientation, events, and reorientation. I'm sorry. Which one? Orientation? Yes, the yellow one. That's great. That's right. The yellow one is the orientation. How about the green one? What? Pardon me? Yes, it is the event. Okay, event. See the orientation? I just put OR. How about this one? It must be easy. Pasti gampang. What? Orientation? No. Closely. Reorientation. That's good. Re-OR. Oke. Oke, ternyata kalian sudah paham ya. I like your active participation in my class. Thank you so much, everyone. Well, students, we have learned about that generic structures. Once again, it has orientation, events, and reorientation. And now let's move on to another discussion. Oke, hal terpenting yang ada dalam teks recount itu adalah unsur kebahasaan. Nah, apakah did you pay attention to the text, especially the language? Apakah kalian perhatikan? Apa verb 2? Yes, using verb 2. Went. Okay, that's good. Well, that's right, everyone. In recount text, we use past tense. Jadi, ciri yang paling kelihatan dalam sebuah recount text itu adalah menggunakan kata-kata bentuk lampau. Yang paling muncul itu adalah use verb to. Contohnya, looked. Dari look, went. Dari go, traveled, travel, was, were, and etc. Dan lain-lain. Ada yang bisa memberikan contoh lain lagi? Anyone? Met. Met, yes, that's right. Anyone else? Bought. Bought itu kata kerja bentuk pertamanya apa? Buy, that's right. Okay, thank you. You still remember our last meeting, right? About past tense? Thank you, everyone. Another thing is, in recount text, we use conjunction. Conjunction about time, especially, khususnya tentang waktu, misalkan, after that, then, first. Okay, usually, this conjunction is in the events, di urutan kejadiannya ya, supaya nanti lebih beruntun. Misalkan first, I watched movie, and then I went to the beach, and dan lain sebagainya. Oke, bagaimana? Paham anak-anak? Did you get the point? Any question? Oh, not yet. Okay, so far so good. Okay, thank you, everyone. Okay, I invite you once again. Is there any questions before I end this meeting and assign you and give you homework? Maybe Ari or Dani, you've got question? No? Clear? Okay, that's great. Thank you. Well, now we go on to the conclusion, everyone. So I will read the conclusion. Please pay attention. Okay. Recount text is a text that tells event in the past. The purpose is to give information. The generic structure are orientation, events, and reorientation. And the language features, atau unsur kebahasaannya, uses past tense. Okay. Once again, any questions? Not yet. Okay. Well, everyone, for your assignment, I would like you to make a recount text, okay, about your holiday last semester. The minimum words are 150. Okay. And then write in handwriting. Okay. Then scan it into PDF format. So you have to practice your writing skill using your hand especially. Yeah. And then if you have finished, jika sudah selesai, I'm sorry, submit it through Google Drive. I will provide the link. So I will send the link in the WhatsApp group. Oke, Bapak akan kirimkan nanti link untuk mengunggah tugasnya di WhatsApp. Kemudian the deadline is 22 June 2022. Oke, jadi kalian punya waktu seminggu dari sekarang, silakan dipersiapkan dengan baik untuk tugas ini. And I wish you good luck. Okay. Okay, everyone. I think that's all my class today or our class today about recontext. I hope you get something new, especially about recontext. And stay safe, stay healthy, and I'll see you in the next meeting. Bye-bye, everyone.